A group of conservationists focused on the protection of Native Hawaiian forests have reached a decades-long awaited goal. KITV4's Aaron Coogan shares the ongoing expansion efforts of the Koolau Mountains Watershed Partnership.
Facilitating forest conservation work across land ownership boundaries for the past 20 years, the Koolau Mountains Watershed Partnership has made it its mission to protect, sustain, and advocate for the forests, water, and people of the Koolau Mountains. Spanning over 100,000 forested acres, the miles-long watershed is said to provide an estimated 130 billion gallons of water each year to the people of Oahu.
It feeds 90% of the population of Oahu, and originally when we were established in 1999, we only had 8 landowning partners, and today with the recommitment of our landowning partners, we're at 16. We've doubled our landowners.
And in working in alliance with those landowners, including the state's Department of Land and Natural Resources, Kamehameha Schools, and Kualoa Ranch, the team is able to facilitate effective watershed management plans while conducting on-the-ground field work throughout the island.
So first you start with protection, then you start with restoration, and that kind of takes 2 forms. The removal of invasive plant species that can really alter the ecosystem, and then as needed in lower areas that are more degraded, we do active native plant restoration. So that's the putting back of native species.
The 10-member team also working to set a precedent within the community of widespread understanding and respect to the importance of local conservation efforts.
We take people to our different restoration sites where they can plant native species, learn about invasive plants, identify what's a healthy watershed and what's not, and really be in the space and observe and kilo and connect with Aina, which is so important as someone who's living here.
The organization hopes to expand its outreach even further, working to engage generations to come. Aaron Coogan, KITV4 Island News.